Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Irisstace in Finland. I am so happy to see you today. So today's video is gonna be on two parts. One part is gonna be about my twins gender reveal, and the second part is gonna be about unboxing the baby gear that I got for my kids. It's a double, of course. I'm having twins, so it has to be a double pram. Remember, some time ago I promised I was gonna do a baby gender reveal, but I have not had time to do that particular video, and yeah, I've been a little busy posting other videos to my YouTube, and I just thought that today was the right time to do the gender reveal. So if you're my subscriber, you know that I'm expecting twins, and if you're just watching me for the first time, I am expecting twins, and my babies are the same gender, and they are girls. I am so excited to have my little girls. I cannot wait. Right now I am 32 weeks gone and still killing it. Let's go do the unboxing together. Okay guys, right here are 3 boxes. 1, 2, these 2 are the carry cords. And then this big one right here is the frame itself. So let me just open it and show you guys what's in it. Let me keep the carry cords aside. So as you can read, it's a Beemoo Los Angeles double pram. That's what it reads. It's a twin pram. So let me just open it and show you guys how it looks. These are the seats. I'm taking everything out first without showing you guys, because I want to take out the frame and then start building of them. That's where the video begins. I can't lift this on my own because I don't have any strength. Ooh, let me shift you a little bit. Huge box. Okay guys, so this is the frame right here, and I am going to build it and show you guys. Okay, this is the frame. Now I'm going to put the tires. I'm going to put the hind tires first. I'm going to put the front tires. It's very easy to couple. Okay. I have put both the front and back tires, and the frame is standing on its feet. So the next step is to fit in the seats. So guys, this is how it's going to look as a stroller during summer and when the babies can sit on their own. Let me show you from behind. This is how it looks from behind. Quite spacious here and here, and right here is the bricks. I'm gonna take this one down and then mount the two carry cords. That's what I'm gonna be using pretty soon, not this one. I just wanted you guys to see how it looks as a stroller. Now let's mount the carry cords. The carry cords should be facing me because the babies are still too young. Okay guys, I am done putting it together, so this is how it's going to look. I'll eat a little snack. I am so famished. So I'm going to look. The two carry cords. Two little pockets here. It came with two rain protectors. Isn't it cute? That's why I really love this offer, because it came with everything together. Whereas I saw other offers, you could buy just the frame differently, very expensive, and then you go start to order the carry cords. But this one was a set and it was pretty cheap, and I'm gonna put the price here on the screen for you guys to see, because right now I am not in the mood for figures. I am pretty exhausted putting this thing together. Oh, so guys, let me take a rest, okay? So this is how my baby gear is gonna look like. I think I should do a video also on my baby car seats. I got very simple car seats, you know. Babies, the outgrow stuff very quickly, so I didn't want to go get like super expensive stuff and later on the baby outgrows and I start looking for where to. So people looking for someone to sell it to, so I got like very cheap ones also. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And see you in my next one. Bye.